Good afternoon. YouTube, Dave here. Hope everyone's having a good day. Hope everyone's having a good week. I'm on my way to work. I don't want to stop and watch the truck, but I got a feeling that it's going to rain today again. And since it's going to rain today, what's the use of washing the truck? So I'm going to head out to work. Because I'm going to stop by and get something to eat first and then head on to work, because it's very hard to get out of work, get to go eat. So far, everybody is yearning because today is Wednesday. No? Yes. Today's Wednesday, April the 29th, and on Friday becomes May the 1st. May the 1st. Naturally, by May the 1st, actually by May the 25th, I would have traveled to Providence, Rhode Island, where I would have seen my daughter graduate from medical school. Full-blown doctor. But that was canceled. That was canceled months ago because of the spread of the coronavirus. So up to now, technically we haven't been fighting with the airlines or anything, but up to now, I've gotten an email stating that I got a refund from my sister and my little nephew's flight tickets, because it turned out that everybody wanted to use my credit card to buy all the tickets to go to Providence. So I bought all these tickets. I bought 4 tickets, but up to today, I got an email saying so-and-so confirmation number. A refund has been deposited back into your account or into your credit card. So it's cool. Because it's a good $700 for the pair of tickets. Plus, I had already asked for mine. I had gotten my tickets out first, not my sister's ticket. I had bought mine first. And they're sending me a letter saying that they're only going to give me credit. Like, no, heck no, I didn't agree to that. I didn't agree to that. I had even bought the insurance that in case something would happen, I would get a full refund. Well, so much for the insurance, because they just want to give me credit. Like, I don't fly JetBlue all the time. I hardly ever fly, and when I do fly, I fly to foreign countries, not locally here in the United States. So those are the tickets that I'm fighting right now with American Airlines. Now I have American Airlines flying points, and they know that I'm an active member, and still they're giving me a hard time. But I think it's not American Airlines. I think it's the travel company that I dealt with. Eventually they're gonna have to pay me, because I had paid extra for that insurance, and since it's the coronavirus anyways, they had special programs where the government would bail them out anyways, and they have the right to return our money. Well, they returned 2 of the tickets out of the 4, so I'm still waiting for the other 2. So anyway, let me turn right here because I'm gonna pick up some chicken, and I'll be right with you guys in just a bit. Okay, I just ordered some chicken, but since even though that I'm in a drive-through, I gotta put on the mask. I'm gonna be making contact with somebody here. There's a whole big conspiracy, and in a weird way, because of the fact that that I have friends. Well, hold on, let me go ahead and pay for this. So I'm done picking up chicken. Alright, this is probably going to be a lot better now because I put it on super view or semi-super view, and now I'm able to see my whole face, because the other way was all you can see was my face on the whole screen. So hopefully this way will look better now. My face looks a little bit smaller, which means that now it can fit in the screen. And by the way, I'm using the GoPro Max. The GoPro Max, and not the GoPro Hero 8. The GoPro Hero 8, I have it tucked away. It's got some awesome features in it. Better features than the Hero 7, but I haven't completely tested it. I don't think I'll put the Hero 8 through water, since I have the media mod on. Unless I take out the media mod, put the door latch back, then I'll probably end up doing that. But I don't really see a difference. I've seen the videos of the GoPro Hero 8 underwater. It looks nice. As a matter of fact, it actually looks better than the Max. The Max underwater, it's very hard to do anything underwater with it, actually. And to tell you the truth, I don't think I remember even doing it under vlog mode, but I think I did. It doesn't come out that clear in comparison to the other ones, but still, I got the DJI Osmo Action that I can do for underwater shots anyways. That's why I had already picked certain cameras to do certain things. Since I got the GoPro Max, I'll be doing either 360 videos or vlog mode whenever necessary, or put this in a way and just use the Hero 8. Now the only difference with the Hero 8 that I've noticed is that sometimes my face wanders out of the screen, since I have not been able to calculate where the center screen is on the camera in comparison to the GoPro Max. GoPro Max has a real nice screen where you can center your face, or the DJI Osmo Action that has a front screen. You can center yourself. That's why, in some comparison, I would maybe just use the DJI Osmo Action as a vlog camera and use the Hero 8 as an underwater camera. But since I just barely bought the Hero 8, I really don't want to put it underwater that much, even though I know it's waterproof. But it's too new. I'll wait another year or so. If everything goes well and I get my vacations, I'm probably gonna take the Hero 8 with me anyways, and if necessary, No, I would need to use the Hero 8 for blog mode only. Because it's the only one. Well, that one and the DJI Osmo are the only ones that I have noticed that can accept the Rode wireless microphone. Well, I'm running at the ranch and I was going to sit down and eat my dinner, but I see a strange vehicle in an area where it's not supposed to be in. Now, it might be one of the workers, or it might just mean, might be me hallucinating. It doesn't happen at my age yet. I mean, I'm barely 21. I'm gonna come up here and find out what the heck's going on. I want to see who's out here. Maybe it's just probably one of the workers. Probably just one of the workers. You know what? I don't see the vehicle anymore. Oh no, there it is. There is a vehicle out there. I wonder who it is. Well, I'm parked for now, and I'm gonna go ahead and eat my dinner. And I don't want you to see me eating my dinner. So I'm gonna turn on my tablet and put on some movie while I eat my chicken dinner. Well, I'm parked for now, and I'm gonna go ahead and eat my dinner. And I don't want you to see me eating my dinner. So I'm gonna turn on my tablet and put on some movie while I eat my chicken dinner.